This is a solar underfloor heating system using 3 recycled water panels. They are from an old spa unit. The pipes from the panels run underneath the house to the pump unit. I have an overflow unit at the top, which is where I also top up. The water comes through underneath the piles of the house and runs through to my pump area. I'm currently using a 12-volt pump. There is 2 isolation taps that separate it out so I can remove that. There is a flow meter to determine that the water is flowing, and the whole set is on a time switch. I'm also measuring the temperature at the moment to determine whether it's actually functioning properly. The temperature I'm currently getting is 20 degrees, which is not bad for a mild autumn day, and that is warming my water. That's the warm water coming from the solar panels that's circulating fairly quickly just with that little 12-volt pump, and that water is running down through this pipe into a concrete slab that goes under my basement